Hello, people of the tubes.
Hello and welcome to Game Squid. Let's play the game.
Yes, you've changed the model, it would seem.
Yes, I have a new model. This time it isn't made in Unity. I made this in a different program. And
Did
now there's
you?
only one cube.
Because all I see is cubes and pyramids and such.
Oh
So I
yes.
assumed you made it in Unity.
Well, no, I made it in a different program. I just didn't feel like taking the time to use other than basic models.
Well, yeah, you did use basic models. Alright. Oh, never mind. I guess you're right. Alright, now make it fire out of just two cannons, I guess.
Oh yeah, that's right. I guess I do have two cannons.
Yes.
Okay, well, let's see.
Oh boy.
I need to change. Oh gosh.
You're going to have to modify the shoot function.
No!
Yes, that's right. Now instead of a direction, you will also give him a position.
So, should I change this at all?
You should add to it.
Okay, direction, comma,
Yes.
position.
Yes, but vector actually. Vector 3.
Vector 3. Like,
Yes. Except for that. No.
oh, that's not needed.
Yes, I don't even know how you got that idea.
Because, there.
Alright, now add the position.
Okay. So just create.
Uh,
No?
I don't know. Maybe. I guess.
Target dot.
I suppose there'd be a better way of doing that.
Nah. Well, actually,
Get component. Pff.
classy. Okay, so equals direction,
It's
position.
a comma, really? Jeez. Oh, the velocity is direction, comma, position. Okay, yeah, well done.
That's how life works.
Jeez. Look at your code. What does it do?
Oh, this sends
Yes,
the.
not that one, obviously. The one that's actually active.
Let's see.
Yes.
This line. No, wait, that's exactly what I was just on. This line.
Well, what does it do?
Target.transform.position, that's the position of the capsules, equals transform.position, that's the position of the main, like, cube thing.
Yes. Now, how do you add the other position then?
Should I make a. Should I, like, copy and paste this?
No.
No?
What do you know about changing position?
What do I know about changing position? I can subtract and add.
Yeah.
Yay.
Try that.
Minus. Wait. Minus position?
Yes. Oh, that would be one way. All right. Now fix the arrows.
What errors?
There'll
Oh,
be arrows.
those errors. No overload method for shoot takes one argument. Does that mean I need to make a new vector?
Yes.
Okay. Should I make it on the same line or make new lines for the vector?
You'll have to make it on the same line. It's still in the function.
Okay. New vector 3. What should I put here? Just if we got position, then this isn't changing. Like, okay, wait, I'm thinking. Let's do it.
You probably only want 2 shots instead of 3. So I guess you're going to remove one of those lines that fires the 3 shots.
That would be this one. This.
The middle one.
There we go.
Despite the fact that that one had the most practical velocity, but okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait, would we even need direction? Because isn't direction the thing that's making them go like top left and top right in like a V formation?
Well, if you don't set any direction, then it's just going to sit there idly instead of flying out.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Oh,
Hmm.
yeah. This is speed, this 10. I figured that out yesterday.
Yes.
I was trying to mess around with coordinates, and that wasn't the coordinates, because that was direction, not position. Okay.
Indeed. But now you're making position.
Yep, okay, so... what position should it be?
There's one too few parentheses, and there'll be a comma between those vectors.
Oh, so like right. Oh, that's appeared. There we go.
Yes.
Now into here, and let's just mess around a bit. So let's do another -5. Oh wait, well if we're probably gonna have them shooting straight up, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so then we don't need that.
Very good. You're learning.
-5, 10, 0. Let's just try that.
Yes, that could work.
Right now I'm just messing around, seeing how far they actually go out. Is there a certain length each vector is? Like how?
Yes, a magnitude. That one's going to be, well, a bit more than 10, a bit like, oh, definitely more than 10 actually.
No.
It's like 12 or something. Well, that's just sloppy.
Oh.
Just look at that monstrosity there.
Oh my gosh. I
Yes.
do agree with you. That was a
Can you
monstrosity.
can you spot the last mistake? It's even underlined in red.
Wait. Oh, yeah. Here it is.
Great.
Fix that problem there.
It's quite convenient that it underlines these things for you.
I thought you hated mono develop.
Yes, I do. It's odd that it has all these useful features.
Oh.
Well, that's not awful. Guess that's almost as it is. Now all we need to do is some fine tuning.
Okay. Instead of -5, let's just do 0.5f. Or well, it is.
Yes.
Let's try this.
As you probably don't need the 10 either.
0.5f.
Great.
Oh yeah, that's right. I actually don't need the 10, do I?
Indeed.
So, zeros. And just for my own sanity, to make it look like direction, I'm gonna get rid of these spaces.
Oh yeah, spaces are annoying.
There we go.
Oh, there's one more space there, you monster.
Wait, where was that? I missed it. Oh yeah, that's a pretty horrid space.
Yeah. Sorry, too bad that that minus is making it unsymmetrical.
I know. Don't have to point it out. Haha, we did
Whoa,
it.
it works.
That was actually a.
Yes.
It could use a bit more, like it's still kind of off to the left. But
Like,
that doesn't really matter.
like two giant penises. Hmm. Great.
Great. I'm just gonna do a tad bit more fine tuning.
Well, if it's not center, then that means that the cannons aren't center. Hmm. Well,
Okay, that makes it too far in. Let's just set it to 0.45. There.
well, that'll work.
I think this will make me happy.
Alright, so apparently that cube doesn't die, does it? Oh wait, no, it does.
There. I
So I'm surprised that cube's not chasing you down. Did you lose some progress?
No, it's chasing me down. It's just chasing me down very slowly.
Oh yeah, it is. Alright, now make it shoot you.
That is exactly what I failed at yesterday.
It should be fairly simple, really.
Well, I mean, it was 12 o'clock at night. I wasn't thinking straight.
You're always tired, man. How are you always tired?
Because long days.
Actually, quite short in winter.
It's not really winter yet.
Well, I don't. Well, the days are pretty short, even for winter.
That has
They're
nothing
like.
to do with it.
You, you're talking about long days. Go on. Do the basic thing.
Okay. Well, last night I was talking to myself because, yeah, I'm crazy. And I was trying to decide whether I should put this in a void update or create a whole new void for it, but I couldn't decide. What should I do?
Up to you.
I like new voids, so just to make it fancy. What should I call this? Attacker? Maybe?
Seems fair.
Void attacker.
Yes. What argument will this function have?
I was thinking another health, but probably not.
Yes.
Oh, that was correct. So I did have some of this correct last night. Yes.
Great.
Yay.
All right. Well, how do you make bullets?
Well, first we gotta go and... Well, I guess I could just copy this whole line.
No, that is like the complete opposite of a function.
No. But that's creating bullets.
Yeah, I know, right?
What's
It's
wrong?
certainly convenient that we made this function to create bullets, so you basically only have to call it.
Oh yeah, it's called void shoot.
Jeez.
Sorry.
Uh,
Should this be an if command though?
Possibly.
I was thinking that it would
I
just
don't know. What does it depend on whether or not it shoots?
I was thinking that would be better if it was an if command because then I could set it to where like if I run out of health and I explode then they wouldn't shoot at me anymore.
Yes, that actually, yes, but in fact, the program's gonna crash if you die. Actually,
Okay. Unity will
so
crash.
well, I guess if you prevent the fact that wait, oh wait, never mind. Actually, everything will stop happening because this script is attached to you, the player.
Oh yeah, that's true, isn't it?
I guess they won't shoot, nor will they continue to fly towards you anymore.
So then again, now it just doesn't matter anymore.
Yes. Well, go on, make the shoot function for now. You can always add an if outside it easily.
Wait, if input dot get key. Wait, I need to attach this to the cube though. So,
Yes, you'll worry about that after you make the function.
oh, I am.
So you've already attached functions to the cube, and it's in here.
Health?
No, it's in there, as I said.
Wait, where did I attach it? Just a second, I'm looking for it.
Yes, the follow function.
Oh,
You've attached that to the
the
cubes.
health.gameObject.transform.position health rig.
Yeah.
What was the name for it though?
The what?
What is the name for the cube? This just kind of annoys me because I think it would be easier if it was just called cube dot something, but I don't know.
Well, look at the follow function.
Let's see. Vector 3 no z's equals transform dot position.
Yes,
minus
also look at where you call the follow function. That would answer your question.
health.
That's not where you call it, that's where you define it.
Wait, where do I call it? Oh, wait, I call it over. Where do I call it actually?
It's only 50
Oh,
lines of code and you're getting lost.
well, remember, I'm new to this, bro.
It's very new to this. Well,
Obviously.
luckily this
Oh,
code
here we
will.
are. Follow HP.
Yes, that's right. Imagine how it'll turn out when the code is 10,000 lines.
Oh no.
Yes, now go make it do other things there too.
Okay, so we're gonna put more in here.
Yes, on a separate line.
Okay. Let's see. Else. Should I put it in the if or in the else?
In the if,
Okay, if HP exclamation mark equals
which is a
null,
stupid question, obviously, because look what the else does.
else HP dot remove HP.
It
That removes.
deletes it.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, it shoots when it dies. Okay, that'd be stupid, wouldn't it? Also, it wouldn't work because it would give you a syntax error because it's already been dead. Hey,
Why are we limited by life?
in the if,
Okay. So, do we need this here?
no,
Okay.
unless you want to make it green.
Nah. I'll just texture it some other time.
Well, you need a line there, so
I'll put the line here.
do it.
Okay. Now, I call attacker.
I summon you, Pokemon.
Gotta catch them all.
Indeed.
Okay, but wait, I can't really do this yet because I technically my invoid hacker
Well, you
attacker.
can call it for now.
Oh well, yeah, but right now it just doesn't do anything.
Well, you still have to call it
Consider it called.
parenthesis and also argument.
Oh, parentheses. Okay, what's my argument going to be?
Well, it's the same as last time, in fact.
HP.
Yes, the health script. All right, now go on, make it call the shoot function in the attack function.
Okay.
Functions. So many
Shoot.
functions.
Let's see. I think I can do this by myself. doing?
I should hope so.
Vector 3. Um,
An easy way to make sure that you're getting something right is would be to copy an existing one, but okay. That's like something completely different, but okay.
wait, no. Let's see. This one? Probably not.
No.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Please don't hurt me.
Really? It's just the same as the shoot function, really. I mean, just copy the previous shoot function.
Shoot.
That's all you need to do is change the
Coordinates?
shoot function so that it can actually fire from another object or not just the player. I guess we'll make it have another argument then.
So create another comma?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I made a semicolon. Whoops. Wait, why is it making a semicolon? Or is that just like a...
That's a regular comma there.
There's a thing above it, though.
No,
Yeah?
there isn't. What are you talking about? You must have a dirty screen. Yeah, there isn't the thing above it.
Oh, yeah. I just have a dirty screen. Just a second. What? How could that be a dirty screen? It's not coming off. And
Well, try. Weird. Well, there isn't anything there.
I just...
Go on.
Okay. Now I'm gonna have to create... Oh, that's gonna trip me up so much because it looks like a semicolon. Whatever.
So weird. Well, in screen sharing certainly doesn't, so.
I'm just crazy.
There's dots everywhere. They're actually little spiders. No.
They're all over the screen. They're coming out. Okay.
Well, I guess you could just remove that for now and look how it looks when you run it like this. Oh wait, no, that'd be pointless. Well, maybe. Yeah, it would be pointless, but let's see what happens.
Probably absolutely nothing.
Oh, something will happen.
That'll
See?
happen.
It killed itself because it shot bullets out of your holes.
Oh no.
So, like,
Oh gosh, this is awkward.
indeed.
They don't stop coming.
Yes, well, you see the problem?
The problem is that when they try to attack, they actually just shoot out of me, which shoots straight into them.
Yes, now at that last argument.
Okay.
Or maybe it should be the first argument even. Yeah, add it as a first. Then we'll just have a game object or a transform or whatever here.
Okay. Well, first I'll come in. Wait, what should I do? Like, just game object dot something?
Almost. What kind of game object? Think about it.
Let's see, what kind of game object? Health dot game object?
Very good.
Yay!
Yes.
Should I just do that then?
Yes, now set up the shoot function to have an argument.
Should function to have that argument.
Yes, well, you changed a line, but you need to change 4 lines if you're going to make any changes to this function. 5 even.
Huh? Wait, like change things
Be-
in the
because you
actual
call-
function?
Well, every time you call the function, it needs to be changed now because you've changed the formula of the function. So you're going to have to, and the formula itself, you have to change still as well.
Ugh,
Where it says shoot.
like right here.
No, like every other one.
Oh, I see what you mean. So I have to do just like transform dot position.
No,
Wait, what should I put then?
something about game object. Very good.
Game object. Wait, that's the wrong kind of game object though.
It's the non-capital one.
There. Like that.
Yes.
And I am game object, correct?
Yeah, this is the spaceship.
Okay. This is referring to the spaceship.
Alright, so now all the calls are right. Now you just need to change the definition of the shoot function.
Okay. Let's see. Would that be in the actual function, or would that?
Yes,
No.
the definition. Yes, the actual function.
So I have to change this.
Yes.
Okay. And it should probably go first, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And let me guess, it's game object?
Yes.
Sort of.
Oh boy, whatever will we call this variable?
Target?
Okay. Well, actually, no, because you already have a game object target, which is the
Wait.
capsule.
Why does it say it's wrong?
Because it's a capital game object.
Okay, wait. Can you just define something for me real quick? When is it a capital game object, and when is it a non-capital
Yes,
game object?
that is a good question. Well, the capital one is the type, while the non-capital one is the game object, the actual instance of the game object. If you go like, if you simply write non-capital game object, it'll refer to the game object of the spaceship. But if you refer to the health script not game object, you'll refer to the game object that is a cube or whatever.
Ah.
So capital is just the type.
Okay, so that's when you like define a type?
Yes, now you're defining a variable as a game object. Now you just need to name it, and then you need to
Like,
do the thing.
what should I
The
call
thing.
this?
Well, I don't know.
Game object.
Just game object, yeah, whatever.
Game object object.
Yes. Don't like when it goes blue either.
It looks like a hyperlink.
Yes, let's not make anything blue.
So is that good?
Just call it shooter.
Shooter. That sounds like a name for a
Yes.
dog.
Or a gun.
Okay.
It's alright, now you know what to do.
So do I put like shooter dot game object for each one?
No. That would be silly.
That would be silly.
It doesn't matter what you call the argument inside the function, as long as you just put the right type of variable there.
Oh, I see what this is calling. So basically, it's calling shoot, and then it's calling the three definitions that are in here. So first, it's defining the game object.
They're called arguments.
Well, first it's showing the game object. Then you have to declare the direction and velocity and that stuff, and then you have to declare the position that's coming out of.
Yes, very good. Now all you need to do is insert shooter somewhere.
Okay. Where is that?
Well, let's see.
It's
Well, think about it, I mean.
probably in here.
No,
No, really.
I told you not there. No. It's inside the... Look, shooter is a name that you give a variable, and the variable is only available inside this function. Afterwards, it'll get deleted.
Let's see. Shooter.
So it'll obviously have to be inside this function then.
Would I have to create a new line?
No.
I don't really know.
Well, where you set the position, that's where.
Oh, transform that position.
Yes.
Change that to shooter.
Yes, well, you still need transform dot position though.
Transform that position.
Very good. Well, now
Uh,
it should work. Except for,
It's going to shoot
Well-
a constant stream, isn't it?
yes, and also upwards, but whatever. At least it does something now. Also, funny enough, you'll see that the spaceship itself still shoots. Alright, I guess we haven't fixed much, have we? Well, the reason why that happens is because the spaceship has a health script. And everything that has a health script does
It's
this
connected
function.
to health.gameObject.
Yes, well, not quite, but yes. It's the for loop that does that. Alright, so now you're going to make it... Oh, did you know that the spaceship is also trying to hit itself, to fly towards itself?
Really?
Yes, now stop that from happening.
It's trying to hit itself. Wow, abusive.
Indeed. Well, you're going to have to insert an if statement here that checks if the type is a cube or a spaceship.
Okay.
Well, a player actually.
Should I put that in void attacker?
No, wait, before you call it.
Oh, so in here.
Yes, that's right. In here, make an if statement.
Another if statement inside an if statement.
Yes, there'll be quite many of those. You'll need that for follow as well.
If. Wait. That.
Yes,
Wait, should I put attacker inside this if statement?
yes, and follow.
Oh, so we'll see. And then I can just get rid of you, right?
Yes, you could cut it as well.
Oh.
Or drag it.
I can drag it. Oh, hey.
Yes.
I know that.
Ah, jeez, if it weren't so inaccurate. Yes, you can do it. Or not. I guess mono develop isn't as advanced as that. Normally that should have just dragged that line there, but okay. Alright, now in the if statement it's going to be hp.name is cube.
HP dot name is. Wait.
No, equals. 2 equals.
Well, right now, actually, I just have declared it as enemy, so I'll go rename it.
Or whatever it's called.
Well, I mean, we're gonna have more than one type of enemy, so
Yes.
I should probably just name it.
That is exactly why it's good that we have this type here, okay? And it's also called type and not name, apparently.
HP
And also
dot,
that.
also HP dot type.
Yes, I think that might have been a capital type, not sure.
Is it? No. Yes. Yes, it was. Type.
Great.
Equals cube.
Yes. Now what's wrong with this? 2 things.
Do I need to grab the health script again?
No.
No. Then I don't know.
What do you think? What do you think type is? What kind of variable is type?
Type is a string.
That's right. And what do you do with a string?
Well, we haven't done anything with strings yet, so I have no idea.
Well, that's a fair point. Well, right now you're comparing it to a type, to a variable that doesn't exist, which is cube. So you can change that by putting it into quotation marks.
Oh, okay.
Yes, now that's a string.
There we go.
The other thing that's missing is another equal sign.
Wait, I need to do 2 equal signs?
Yes,
Why 2?
because it's a condition.
Oh.
Type is still unhappy. Why is that? Well, just test it and see.
Okay.
Maybe it's not capital after all.
Wait. Oh, yay. People.
I heard. You
yeah.
promised to be undisturbed.
Yeah, I did, didn't I? Oh my gosh.
Is she calling for you? Oh boy. How slightly embarrassing.
What?
The video's still on, you
Okay.
bastard. Wait, am I muted? That is hard to tell, isn't it? That's how embarrassing. Well, what have we learned? Let's see, does it say anything about the type? I suppose it just makes everything capital in the editor, so I guess it's a non-capital type. Most likely. Oh my, and he started the baking. But the baking is usually quite useless in Unity.
I'm there. Oops. Sorry, I didn't expect my sister to come calling for me. She was
Yes.
here, but usually she doesn't do that. I'm sorry.
You didn't tell her. It's a non-capital type, I think. Go.
The hell did I... But you just said it was a capital type.
Well, apparently the editor makes it capital. Go.
Okay.
Do the test. Well, you can look at it too if you want in the bullets. Well, we made it non-capital, I guess, because otherwise it might have turned blue.
Well, it just shot itself, but hey, that worked.
Yes. Well, there you go. Bonus points for figuring out how it could not blow itself up.
Okay. Now I need to figure that out, huh?
It's in the shoot function.
Let's see. Shoot function. It instantiates the capsule. Oh, it needs to ignore the collision.
That's right.
I'll just copy this over. Wait.
What is Colliders 1 and 2?
I have no idea.
Well, search for it.
So just look up colliders.
Yes.
Let's see.
Control F.
Find colliders.
Oh, there it is. Okay, get component
that's right.
colliders.
Right next to it.
It's very odd they would have 2 colliders come to think of it.
Okay, so I guess I'll just make
Wait,
another.
oh no, wait, never mind. It has 2 colliders, that's fine. Okay, so where do you have to insert shoot now? The colliders in that list are from the capsule.
Oh, wait, do I need to insert another one?
No, the lines are fine.
Okay. Yeah, just delete
You
these.
just need to change the arguments of this ignore collision.
Let's see. Arguments. Well, let's see. Your component collider. I don't really know what to change.
Well, it's shooter.get component
Shooter.get component. Wait.
because
Oh,
you're ignoring it to the shooter and not to the
like that?
spaceship. Yeah, twice. All right. Well, I guess you just asked me and I told you how. Okay.
Do I get bonus
No.
points now?
No.
No. Wait, are we done with that?
Yes.
Oh well, let's just not watch it
You
blow
did.
itself up.
You didn't figure it out. Yes. Now look at it. Oh my.
Now I can't move it all though. This is strange.
That doesn't seem right. Can you move before it hits you?
No, I can't.
Weird.
Let's see.
Well, considering there's no error, that would be rather odd.
Well, get component plus input axis horizontal. Yeah, why? Why can't I move?
Oh, very, very odd.
Yeah, let me try this again.
Well, try not getting hit by a cube. Maybe that'll help.
There, now it's working.
Yes. So why does
I don't know
why does hitting that cube?
Oh, no,
well,
he
there
blew
you
me
go.
up. My first
Yes,
death.
And you stopped shooting too. Oh, you did it.
Yay.
Best game ever already.
Now let's just stop that continuous stream that's coming out of it.
Yes, good thing you already know how to do that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do that.
Yes, the middle, that's good.
Okay, now it's direction.
I'm just going to assume that you knew what that meant and you did it right.
Yeah, that's because it was shooting off to a direction.
That's right.
Now let's see. No. Wait. Oh, I need to do the fire thing again, don't I?
Possibly.
Should I make an if command for this?
Yes.
Okay. If. Let's see. Yep.
Ugh,
What would I call this?
you'll not get this right. No.
No. Just need to believe in me. But I don't believe in myself. That's the problem.
Yes, where do you think you should put this fire? And where should you declare it?
Well, probably in
Oh.
my attacker. Wait.
No, you can't.
In the
If you
update?
Also no. You don't declare functions in E. Well, you should declare it somewhere else.
In the start?
You should declare it in health
Health. Oh.
because it'll need that variable for every of the cubes.
Okay, we're gonna declare this.
Well, right where you are. No.
There.
In where it says public and where you declare all the other stuff.
Oh. What do I call it?
Let's see if you remember what type.
Like float?
Possibly.
I mean, it was a fire float.
Was it a float last time?
Yeah, float fire.
Guess that's it then.
So, should I literally just put float fire equals 0? There.
Yes.
That's a dash. -0.
Semicolon.
So many semicolons.
Yes, no syntax errors here. Great. Now go back. Now use that fire. use the fire in there.
So now should I make this into an if command?
Yes.
If health dot fire. No.
Very good.
Wait. How come it says?
Wow. Damn it, I praised you too early. You got it lucky by accident. Oh well. Go on.
Equals 20.
No.
No. Wait. I did this before.
You did. Can you find it?
Is less than 0.
Hmm.
'Cause I mean,
Almost.
yeah, it's so close. Huh.
Well, I guess it actually doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah. Equals.
I mean, that actually works. That means equals or smaller.
Well, whatever. Doesn't really matter, does it?
Yeah, well, there's more to this, clearly, so.
Wait, well, am I done with declaring?
Well, that's the if statement. Hmm.
No, I'm just gonna test that out.
Nothing will happen.
Absolutely nothing. Oh, well.
Oh,
here's
syntax
one.
errors. Not bad.
Unity engine.input does not contain a definition for get access.
Yes, nonsense. You got just look at the thing. Obviously, this is gibberish, right?
Oh, get a access. How did that happen?
How did that happen?
I have no idea.
What have you done?
I don't know. I pressed too many buttons.
Clearly.
Let's see. Health does not contain a definition for fire.
Oh, that's odd. We just made it contain one, but okay. Did you say private? No, that's not right. That would have given you another one.
No, it's in public.
You sure it's
Public
saved?
was fire. Oh, wait. Do I have to save? Oh, I do have to save scripts manually.
Yes, that's right.
Whoops. Oh, silly me. And
Uh.
an object reference is required to access non-stack member health.fire.
Weird. Well, that's a weird sound.
Was that an airplane?
Oh, right. I can spot the mistake. It's the fact that you've written health in capital there because the capital wants the type. But you're not talking about the type.
Oh, but I thought we were grabbing it from this script, which is with a capital.
Yes, we are, but we're talking about the instance, not the type.
I didn't know health was a type.
Well, health is a class that you've created. Therefore, it is a type.
Oh, true. Yeah, it is. Okay.
Well, nothing will happen, but okay, at least you won't have any errors, hopefully.
Let's just check. Hold on.
Damn it!
There.
Oh, there we go. Oh, Hellfire. That almost looks like Hellfire.
That sounds like a good name for a book.
Oh my.
Do you read books?
No.
Way to not support our modern literature. Whatever.
Why would
I don't know why you would, to be honest. Go read
this?
Go read Twilight. It's an adventure.
Oh,
I read
yes.
Twilight. It wasn't very good.
Yes, go on with the code.
Tangents. Oh. Let's see. If attacker, then shoot health game object new vector 3 0 times 0. Wait, why are these spaced out?
Yeah, I know, right? Who would have... Wait, that's odd. You copied this.
I did copy this.
Weird.
Strange.
Damn it, Mono Develop. We don't like spaces around here.
There isn't enough space between the two of us.
Yes, an entire ocean and some land.
Oh.
Go on.
Okay, let's see. New vector 3.
You're not doing anything. Quickly.
I'm reading. Direction, speed, -10.
Yes, that might actually be a good idea. Don't know what made you think of that. It's still not doing anything, though.
It's gonna do everything. Don't worry. Oh, well, now it does absolutely nothing.
That's right, because
Get destroyed, son.
all you did was make the fire make it see if fire is smaller 0, nothing else. No, that was fine. That just made them fly downwards, but they're not flying downwards because there is nothing happening with this if statement.
Oh, yeah, that's true. if health.fire is less than 0. Well, I mean, it says if health.fire is less than 0, then shoot. But then again, we haven't declared, like, when to shoot.
Well, you've made fire and you've set it to 0. Now, how do you not set it to 0? Yes, that's one part, but that's not gonna make any difference yet.
Why not?
Well, it's still 0, and therefore the if statement will not happen, and that line will never be executed.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Now it'll be even less than 0.
What? How did it work for this one?
Oh wait, no, that's actually wait. Yeah, that's fine. Never mind. That is normally I do it by counting the fire up, but yeah, this time we made it by counting it down. Okay.
Did I do it?
Oh,
Oh, no.
wow, nothing. Weird.
Maybe it's because it says -10. That was in direction, and I did put it into the speed section.
No, that's fine. That should have gone down. It should be shooting bullets down now.
Well, yeah, let's just set it to 10 and see what it does.
No, it's clearly not happening.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
The sigh. Okay. Let's see here. Well, attacker is being activated.
That's odd. Oh, I see. Haha. You silly fool.
Wow.
Look at that. Look at that fire. What's wrong with it?
Let's see. Wait, which fire?
All the fire.
All the fire. I don't know. What is wrong with it?
Well, I don't know.
Should it be capital?
Well, why don't you look what playing the script does to your own firing? I mean, just play the game and fire. That's what I mean. Yes, continuously. Is that faster than usual? What do you think? I think it's probably faster than usual. Oh, and now it's slow again. Oh, what a surprise. It's almost as if that variable had been changed by something.
So, I see my problem now.
Yes.
I need to declare that this is an enemy, don't I?
No, that's already something.
Darn it.
You just need to write health.fire instead of fire there.
Health.fire instead of fire. Oh, right here?
Yes, because just fire would mean that you're using the...
I didn't know that would be script wide though. Is fire -- semicolon script wide?
What?
Well, this, like, do you have to put this thing twice? Because I have this also up here.
Yes, that's also health not. Otherwise, you saw what it would do if it's like this.
Yeah, true. Health.fire.
You saw that it made this. You saw it made the player shoot faster. Nothing else. Go.
Go.
Bullets.
Yay! Now it's just shooting the wrong direction.
Yes. I'll fix that.
Well, we could do exactly what I did last time.
Yes, that's one way.
Hey, look it! I'm doing kind of more and more by my own, right?
That's right. You're learning.
I'm learning, Mom. I don't flash it all though.
Yeah, that's odd. Oh, I guess that's because you have multiple renderers instead of just one.
That's true. Should I put like a renderer on each one? Or...
They already have a render each. What you'd have to do would be to where you collect the renderer, you should make it so it's actually a list of renderers and not just one.
Oh, how do I do that?
I don't know, it's too complicated for now.
Oh, right now I just have spaceship mesh renderer. Oh,
Why don't you just make it so that it shoots towards the... Oh my. Yeah, those are set up. Who would have thought? Well, you won't have to put anything in the health script, I guess. Anyways, make it shoot towards the player now and not just downwards.
okay. Let's see. That's
Yes, that's right.
Well, I think I know what to do then. If that's direction, then I have to have it shoot at me. Maybe? Sure. Let's see. Get my game object.
Ooh, vectors. What did he do?
I hit my fist. Well, not my fist, but like my wrist on my desk.
Oh my.
That's apparently the sound that it makes. Okay. Shooter. No. Shooter. Just be transformed that position.
Maybe. Well, that's the player's position now.
Well, yeah. Don't you want it to shoot at me?
Oh, well, that's just gonna look weird.
That's gonna.
And
It
also,
is.
yes. Well, that's a vector. That transformed up position. You don't say vector as an argument of a vector. So so you can just remove the new vector and put that then there.
So get rid of new.
No, the whole new vector thing.
So just get rid of this.
No, just the first one.
Oh, get rid of
It's
this.
just you just changed the velocity.
So this.
Yes, change that to what you just had. That was the only mistake then. Well, other than the obvious. The obvious that a position isn't a velocity, but okay.
Nah, it is. Oh,
Well,
wait.
look at it. No, that was all fine. You're
Alright,
making it
so
worse again.
Don't have this here. None of this.
No, as it just was fine. With the transformed up position.
Oh.
That's definitely part of the solution. Now look at it.
Okay.
Play it.
I can't though, cause. Wait.
Yes,
Oh.
you can.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's not an error. Let's just make sure. There we go. Yep. Okay.
Oh my, look at that.
Oh my. It's attempting to shoot at me.
Oh, not quite.
It'll get me eventually. Just give him some time.
Guess not.
He's gone.
Look what direction he's shooting from.
Down.
It's too fast, can't hit you.
Let's just put him out of his misery. Poor guy.
Yeah. Well, now you're gonna need the relative position, right? Not just the position.
Yep.
Now
So
how you get that?
I've done that before, correct?
Probably.
Well, let's look through them.
It's probably similar to the following script. The following function.
Transform to so like minus.
Very good.
Let's just-
Yes, copying is also good.
There.
Yes, that'll do something.
But then wouldn't that just technically though that would also try to make me follow myself or shoot at myself?
No,
Right?
that won't affect your shooting at all. That's just the enemy's shooting.
Wait, why wouldn't? Oh, that's because it's already like it knows that it's a cube because of up here.
Yes, it only gets called when you're a cube.
Let's test, I guess. See what this does.
Well, there you go. Look at it, it's magnificent.
Absorb the hits.
Oh, that's you do get killed. Okay, weird.
Oh, yeah, I have more health than the cubes do. I have 5 health instead of 3.
Hacker,
I could
there,
send it to 1,000.
get hit by all of them at once. Oh man, they're flying away from you.
Oh gosh.
Oh well, jeez.
Get wrecked, scrub.
Looks like this is a job for no C's, right?
Yeah.
If you know what I mean, wink.
No, I don't. Okay.
Well, obviously you're shooting into the foreground, which you shouldn't be able to. So therefore you're going to have to change this vector so it has no C's.
So I just put no. Oh. Well, actually, so
No, that vector's fine.
wait, but isn't that Z?
No, that one's fine. It's just the velocity that needs to have 0C. That's the position, damn you.
Oh yeah, we're. So
Yes.
then minus no Z's.
Well, almost, actually. You're going to have to copy this whole thing that you put in velocity, save it as another vector, and then reduce... No, that's not velocity, damn you. Well, actually, yeah, I guess pretty much like this. I guess you could copy that thing straight up and that would work too.
And just throw that into the attacker function.
Yeah.
Make it. We're gonna have to optimize this, but whatever.
Yes, this is clearly unoptimized because you're calculating this twice, but it doesn't matter considering this is just simple subtraction, so.
Not true. Okay, well now that that's thrown into here, we can
Well, that health freak velocity doesn't need to be done twice.
get rid of this. Yeah, we don't need
Yes.
that.
Well, now it's quite simple, don't you think?
Okay, well, dot nosies.
No. Just nosies.
Just put
Nosies is a vector that you've set up.
like that.
Yes, but not the other garbage there that we already have in nosies. Like that whole transform position minus health.
Oh, this. Oh, just. Oh, yeah, that's right. Since it's in nosies, we don't even need this, do we?
Yes, if you look, that's exactly how you've set up the nosies vector.
There.
Alright, well now it won't shoot into the foreground anymore.
Hopefully, at least it'll attempt to. But then.
Pretty sure it won't.
Nope, doesn't look like it.
Well, I guess it didn't do it much anyways. It's just the slight difference in...
Come at me, bro. Come at me.
Wait, are you actually too high up? I think you were. You should probably set your own C position to 0. Explosions.
Okay, now in Z position to 0.
Yeah.
Spaceship.
Oh yeah, see that's like 6C for some reason.
Oh, change this to 0?
No.
No.
Well, that too,
Oh,
but
this.
yeah. Really that far out? Jeez.
What's this? That's also the same. Oops.
Well, I suppose you just had to make that just had to make that equal, and then it would have been fine. But it's probably good that we have that no seas policy as well.
Oh, I moved that back because, like, last night, originally my delirious brain thought if it was that far away, the camera would be that far away as well. But now that I
Yeah.
think about it, that makes no sense.
Yes, you know how to set up and move the camera, don't you? Hmm.
Remember, I was half asleep.
All
I
right,
bet-
now what else do you think is the problem here?
Hmm.
Oh, there was a little shadow there.
I actually don't know. I feel like this is pretty good.
Yeah, it's good. Now, for one thing, the further away you are, the faster the bullets get. Therefore, we're going to have to normalize the vector noses so it doesn't get infinite speed anymore.
Okay. So,
Yes.
wait, should I change this value?
No. You want this to be 0. After this, you're gonna make a new line and normalize noses.
I know that wasn't gonna work, but still.
It's noses equals equals noses dot normalized.
Really?
Indeed.
How about Mormonize? Because I can't spell correctly.
Like a Mormon. Interesting.
That's what I was thinking. Wait, so capital N or none?
No, that's fine. Just need a semicolon.
There.
And now you'll note. No, that's not a semicolon, damn it. Now you'll notice that it'll have absolutely no force to its shots.
So will they just sit there?
No, they just fly out really slowly.
Whoops. Probably should have waited for it.
Blast it! You see, they're coming at you.
That's pathetic.
Yeah, now make it more.
That's funny though. He'll hit me eventually. Oh no. Oh no!
It's just like a Game of Thrones. Don't go onto its trail. It's the most advanced AI of all.
Basically a 10 out of 10. Pew!
Explosions.
This game's entertaining.
Great.
Okay. Well,
Alright, now make it more.
Well, this is one long video.
Well, we're almost done.
Wait, what do you mean make it more?
Well, how do you make a vector more?
You give bigger number.
Well, there must be some kind of mathematical. That's the position, damn you. There must be a mathematical way of increasing the length of a vector, right?
Plus.
No, unless you can only plus it with another vector. Oh boy, you multiply it, damn it.
Let's see. Multiply it by what though? Let's just multiply it by 9,000.
Well, now it'll just be immediately gone because it's so fast.
Okay, we'll multiply it by. Well, let's make it go 5 times the speed of what it was going at.
It's still pathetic, but okay.
Well, at least it'll actually, like, maybe have a chance of hitting me.
It's not even going to be faster than the actual object. Oh wait, no, I guess it's... Oh no, never mind. See, the object's catching up with it.
Okay, well, let's do it times 7. Ooh, dangerous.
Well, maybe you should add the object's velocity to it as well. You can do this, right?
Yeah.
Ha, that fool's playing Fallout 4.
He's a fool.
Yes,
Aren't you playing Fallout 4?
reluctantly.
Why? I heard it's a good game.
It's not. It's full of immortal NPCs that boss you around. And you can't do anything to them because they're immortal and they might shoot you even.
It's a Bethesda game.
No, it's not actually.
Yeah,
Bethesda games, you can usually kill the NPCs that bother you. Not in Fallout. Anyways,
That's still a Bethesda game.
add the velocity to the projectiles now.
Okay, well, let's see. What did I do last time? Oh, now I gotta add velocity to the projectiles. So would that be like plus something?
Maybe.
Plus 6.
No. You can't. I told you can't add a float to a vector.
But you
That
can
would-
multiply a vector.
Yes, that's right. It's almost as if you hadn't had maths about vectors before.
Let's see.
So you're gonna have to add another vector to it. Now, what vector will that be?
Direction.
Velocity.
Let's see. Wait, velocity. Do we have to make a new vector for that? Or a new argument?
No. Just add it to this one, or alternatively, you could make it so that the shooter's velocity is always added to the direction in the function of shoot.
Shoot. Okay. Well, let's see. Shooter. Would I define it up here?
Yeah, yes, that's defined.
Times.
No. Jeez. Multiplying a game object now? Oh my.
Game objects. It's basically instantiate.
Yeah, let's make 10 shooters. Let's just multiply, yeah, no problem.
Pew.
Well, where you set the velocity, you're going to add plus shooter dot game object dot rigid body dot velocity.
Plus.
No, shooter's already a game object, just rigid body, and also get component rigid body, in fact.
Get component rigid body.
Well, at least you know the syntax, it would seem, except for the parentheses, I guess.
I knew that was there.
Good.
Yeah.
Yes, now what? There's more to this.
Dot velocity.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, now go.
Oh, that's it.
And see how increasingly fast these bullets will come at you.
This is scary.
Oh yeah. You better watch out.
Oh gosh. Oh, they
Oh,
move
yeah.
faster than I do. Oh no.
Yeah, that's right. They come faster and faster.
Okay, I have like 1 health left, I think. No, 2. Boo, boo, boo. I can just drink them. Okay, well, is that it for this video?
Yes, subscribe for more.
Yes, please. Dude,
Goodbye.
Goodbye.